The topic is about we are learning how to clean the wastewaters. There are two major types. The type 1 sludge, leftover solid waste from the treatment plants. The type 2 landfill leachte, dirty liquids that comes up from landfills. The goal is to understand how aerobic treatment, which means the oxygen based biological process, help clean this waste. The next slide is about what makes landfill leachate hard to treat. Leachate is very polluted. It usually contains three basic minerals. Type 1, a lot of organic matter, high yield COD, which means chemical oxygen. The next, very high ammonia, which is toxic to water life. The third, hard to treat, hard to break chemicals like humic substance. If we don't need to treat it, it can pollute groundwater and harm ecosystem. And the third slide, how organic and the third slide, how aerobic digestion works. Aerobic digestion uses microorganisms plus oxygen to clean wastewater. Microbes involve heterotrophic bacteria, break down organic pollutants. Nitrifiers convert ammonia into safer forms. And third, protozoa help keep the system balanced. Simple idea that the first microbes eat the pollution and the next they use oxygen to grow and the third they turn waste into carbon dioxide, water and stable sludge. In this slide we are learning main aerobic treatment based. There are two types of sludge, which is activated sludge and sequence bioreactors. The activated sludge, there are three basic components which includes wastewater flows continuously and next one tank for aeration plus one for clarifier and third very common and stable system. In sequencing bioreactors, one tank does everything in cycles. The next, good for places with changing flow. And the third, helps removes nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. Both can remove over 95% of BOD in run properly. The slide is about why pre-treatment is needed. Leachate is extremely strong, so we must prepare it before biological treatment. Pre-treatment steps involves 4 major steps. The type 1, screening. 2, chemical treatment. 3rd, dilution or blending. And 4th, ammonia stripping. The type 1, screening, removes the debris. And type 2, chemical treatment, removes heavy metals. And dilution. And 3rd, dilution or blending, mixed with regular wastewater. And 4th, ammonia stripping, removes the extra nitrogen. This keeps the biological system from getting shocked. Must be controlled. 1, the oxygen. 2, the pH. And 3, the nutrients. 1, the oxygen. Keep dissolved oxygen around 2 to 4 mg per liter. And 2, pH. Microbes work best at pH 7 to 8. And next point, chemicals may be added to keep pH stable. And 3, nutrients. Microbes need a balanced food ratio. BOD is to nitrogen is to phosphorus is equal to 100 is to 5 is to 1. Leachate often needs added phosphorus to stay balanced. In the slide, why? Combine leachate treatment with aerobic digestion. Mixing the leachate with regular wastewater can help microbes adapt better. Second, removal of pollution improves. It saves a lot of money and allows sharing equipment cost. General rule, only 5 to 15% leachate should be mixed at first. In this slide, we are learning real examples of case study. A large city wastewater plant added leachate treatment. Result 94% of chemical oxidant event reduction, 97% of ammonia leak reduction, 1.2 million saved every year. Very high uptime, 99.8%. They first tested it, upgrade equipment, then increase the amount of leachate process. And at last, economic and energy benefits. Integrated treatment is much cheaper than building a separate leachate system. Savings include 30 to 50% of lower construction cost, 60% of lower operating cost, 45% of lower energy use. Using renewable energy like solar or biogas can serve even more. Future technologies, new improvement will make treatment even better. Membrane bioreactor, which is MBR, very clean, effluent, smaller space. AI control, smaller and smarter and more stable operation. Advanced oxidation removes difficult chemicals. Bioaccumulation, adding new special microbes. Resource recovery, turning waste into useful products. Smart sensors, real-time testing for safer operation.